I finally got my hands on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max and Xiaomi 17 Pro, and after using both phones extensively for several days, I can give you the full and honest review. These devices have been creating a lot of buzz in the tech world, and everyone wants to know if they are worth buying. I tested them in multiple scenarios including daily use, gaming, photography, media consumption, and battery performance. Today I will cover everything from design, display, performance, cameras, battery, software, connectivity, and value. This is the review you need before deciding which Xiaomi device is right for you. Starting with design and build quality, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max feels incredibly solid in the hand. It has a premium glass back and a sturdy aluminum frame that gives it a high-end feel. The slightly larger size makes it feel immersive when watching videos or playing games. The Xiaomi 17 Pro, while slightly smaller, still looks elegant and stylish. Both devices feature near bezel-less displays that make the front look clean and modern. Holding these phones for extended periods feels comfortable due to their balanced weight distribution. Xiaomi has clearly focused on making both phones feel like flagship devices, and they succeed in delivering a premium experience from the first touch. The buttons, edges, and materials all feel precise and durable. The display is one of the standout features on both devices. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max comes with a large AMOLED display with a high refresh rate that makes scrolling and gaming extremely smooth. Colors are vibrant and natural, blacks are deep, and brightness is sufficient even in bright sunlight. Watching videos and browsing social media is a joy on this display. The Xiaomi 17 Pro has a slightly smaller AMOLED screen but still offers excellent clarity and rich color reproduction. Touch response is precise and fluid on both phones. The Max feels more immersive due to its larger screen, while the Pro is better suited for users who prefer a more compact device. Both displays perform exceptionally well for media consumption, gaming, and daily tasks, making them competitive with other flagship smartphones. Performance is excellent on both devices. They are powered by the latest flagship processors, which makes multitasking seamless. Apps open instantly, and switching between multiple applications is smooth without any noticeable lag. I tested heavy games on high settings, and both devices maintain stable frame rates without overheating. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max has a slightly larger cooling system, which helps it stay cooler during extended gaming sessions. Daily activities like web browsing, streaming videos, scrolling through social media, and using productivity apps feel effortless on both devices. They perform like true flagship smartphones in every scenario. Both devices are future-proof and can handle demanding apps for years. The camera system is another area where Xiaomi has made significant improvements. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max features a powerful main camera that captures sharp and detailed images with vibrant colors. Low-light performance is impressive and noise is minimal. The ultra-wide lens captures more in a single frame while maintaining color accuracy across all lenses. Portrait mode is accurate and edge detection is precise. Video recording is smooth, stable, and produces natural colors. The Xiaomi 17 Pro also has an excellent camera setup. While the sensor size is slightly smaller, it still delivers high-quality photos that rival other flagship devices. Selfies on both phones are sharp and natural, making them ideal for social media enthusiasts. Whether taking photos in daylight or challenging low-light conditions, both devices perform impressively. Battery life on the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is excellent thanks to its larger battery. I easily got through a full day of heavy use, including gaming, streaming, and social media. The Xiaomi 17 Pro also delivers solid battery life and can last a full day under moderate to heavy use. Both devices support extremely fast wired charging, allowing you to go from 0 to full in under an hour. Wireless charging is also supported, adding convenience for daily use. Battery performance is reliable and ensures that your devices stay powered even during long days without worrying about running out of charge. The software experience is smooth and responsive. Both phones run the latest MIUI version based on Android. MIUI provides a clean interface, customization options, advanced security features, and smooth animations. Multitasking is seamless, notifications are clear, and system performance is stable. During testing, I did not notice any lags or software issues. Frequent updates improve performance, introduce new features, and maintain security. MIUI is intuitive for new users while offering advanced features for power users. Overall, the software complements the hardware perfectly. creating a polished and seamless user experience. Connectivity is excellent on both devices. They support the latest Wi-Fi standards, Bluetooth, and 5G connectivity. Call quality is clear, signal reception is consistent, and mobile network performance is reliable. The built-in stereo speakers deliver loud, clear, and detailed sound. Fingerprint sensors are fast and accurate, and face unlock works well even in low-light conditions. Haptic feedback is responsive, making typing and notifications feel satisfying. These additional features enhance the premium experience and usability of both phones, making everyday interactions enjoyable and reliable. In terms of pricing, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is the premium option due to its larger display, bigger battery, and enhanced cooling system. The Xiaomi 17 Pro is slightly more affordable but still provides flagship performance and features. If you prioritize a larger screen, better battery life, and extended gaming sessions, the Max is worth the extra cost. If you prefer a more compact device without sacrificing too much performance, the Pro is an excellent choice. Both phones provide great value for their respective price points, offering flagship features without compromise. After testing both devices extensively, it is clear that the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max shines with its larger screen, superior battery, and enhanced cooling, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. The Xiaomi 17 Pro is compact, stylish, and delivers nearly identical performance at a lower price. Both devices excel in design, display quality, camera performance, battery life, and software experience. Your choice depends on whether you value a larger screen and battery or a compact and convenient device. Xiaomi has raised the bar this year by delivering two excellent flagship devices that cater to different user preferences. That is my complete review of the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max and Xiaomi 17 Pro. Both phones are outstanding in their respective categories. If you prioritize performance, design, camera quality, or software experience, either device will serve you well. Let me know in the comments which Xiaomi phone you would choose and why. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest and detailed tech reviews. These phones are proof that Xiaomi continues to compete at the highest level in the smartphone market, offering excellent features, solid performance, and great value for money.